Today, this car right here, this is my 2015 Mazda CX-5, and guys, this car idles bad. And today we're going to be trying to figure out why this car idles so badly. So first step, we're going to go over to Canadian Tire to get some parts.
Lost in thought, I'm tripping. Oh, I'm wishing I was feeling different. Looking for a reason why this feeling keeps on coming back to me. It's hurting me, disturbing me.
And we're back, guys. So first things first, we need to remove this flipping cover. That's easy. Just put your hand. Put it to the side. Boom. First step done. Next step, we need to remove these covers. I don't know what they're called. Are they called something starter? And to do that, we need this bad boy right here. Bro, it's hot right now. Oh my days, I gotta take off my jacket. Put it in the car. So all we have to do is put here. Loosen. Okay, we're gonna loosen it all the way. There's a bit of oil here as well. So I'm gonna clean up that oil as well, but first of all, let me take out the bolt. Always find a safe place to put your bolts. This we're gonna put in here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove. Next step, remove this. So I just have to do is it comes out. You can see one comes out, one comes out. So we have all 4, bro. They are hot like crazy. Tell me why I spent $85. Let me show you what I spent $85 on. A socket extension, the spark plug remover, and 4 spark plugs. $85. I'm gonna clean this place up a little bit because of a bit of oil spilled and I was putting oil into the engine, so I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Next step is spark plug extraction. Take your torque wrench, not your torque wrench, your wrench. Take the extender, put the extender on the wrench, and you put this one in here. And we have our 2 ready to go. Click, click. Inside this thing is like a plastic in it that when you put it in, like suctions the spark plug. So let's hope I can see the spark plug. Okay, wait. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So I'm guessing I'm supposed to go this way. Wait, am I tightening it? Oh yeah, it's out. But I was scared for a second there, but I was like, oh my day, did I do the wrong thing? See. It's deep in the trenches. Turning, bro, my back is killing me, man. What the hell? Standing over a car, man. It's not out, bro. Ow! Deep is this thing. Oh, our first one. I'm so proud of myself. We got our first spark plug out. Let me see if it's this. Is it hot? It's not that. It's not that hot. Don't look bad. It does look bad. I don't know what I'm saying. I do bob up, and it's out. For 2, we have 3. Last one is out. Next thing. Let me get my torque wrench. Yes. Fuck, that dish is hot, man. What the fuck? That shit is hot. It burns my hand. Damn, it burnt my flipping hand. Next step is we need to look at the spark plugs. Make sure they match, because if they don't match, well, fuck, we have to go back to the store. This is a Butchelin spark plug. Compared to this one, they look the same. Yeah, they look the same, right? Yeah, the same. Next thing is we take the spark plug, put it in the doo-doo boo-boo, like this. And then in this fat hole, we put it in. This thumb is in. How can I confirm that a bitch is in? Okay, I think it's in. And then we just turn it, hope for the best. Oh yes. Oh yes, it's in, it's in. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself, it's in. Okay, we can take this one out. Okay, it's gone. It's inside here somewhere. Oh, there's it. I don't know if you can see, but it's there, bro. I'll take it. That's the first one. And I think we're in. It's in. Okay, and then just slide it. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. The stuff got stuck inside. Nah, don't fuck with me right now. Not now. Okay. Oh my days. Bro, I swear to God, my heart was in my ass. Oh my god. I thought I lost this inside because I think I put it too deep. I put the spark plug in too deep. When I put this shit out, the thing did not come out again, bro. My chest. Bro, I was about to like give up and die, man. Oh my god, that was scary. That was so scary. Keep screwing and it's tight, okay. Please. Okay, it came out. Nice. final one. My legs hurt from like bending over the car. My arms hurt from stretching. Everything, bro. Nobody talks about this part when you're working on your car. It's all smiles and giggles and when problem arises, but nobody talks about the actual physical part of it, man. The actual physical part of you bending over your car and trying to fix something on here, man. Like, bro. Alright, come on, let's change the last one, man. AB making history right now. AB making history. And yo, guys, put in the comment section if you know how to change your spark plugs. If you know how to change it, let me know what your experience was. Was it difficult? Was it good? Did you suffer? What mistakes did you make? I want to know in the comment section, man. I want to know the problems you guys went through, because me, no, I'm not gonna say it, because before I jinx it, man, I'm not gonna say it. Before I go ahead and jinx myself, I'm not gonna say it. Okay, it's tight. Slowly. Oh, you removed the gear. Oh, shit. Bro, this thing is not right. Why does it keep removing? The next thing that we're supposed to do now is tighten everything down again. Next one. Okay. Bro, I'm careful because I don't want this shit to fall in. Okay, I think it's tight enough. And slowly. Woo! Woo! We did it, man. Bro, I'm sweating, but we did it. Yeah, we did it. Yeah, we did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah. Next step, we just carry these doodoo bobs, the plastic things, and we just stick them. And careful, I will stick them. Wait, what? I swear the thing came out easy. It's supposed to go on the spark plugs, I believe. Oh, there we go. That's one on the spark plug as well. It's in. All four, they are in, man. Now we get the screws. Woo! We get the screws. This is gonna put the screws in from here. Time for nothing to happen, man. Ooh, we on baby on tighten, because I'm not trying to lose you. On you. Because I'm not trying to lose you. Before I put the engine cover on, moment of truth. Yes, this is where my heart is beating right now. If I did not do everything right, this engine is not gonna start. But if I did everything right, this engine is gonna start. Bro, my heart is beating right now. I swear, I wish you can feel it. Oh shit. Moment of truth, guys. Let's do this. Holy Sakamura. Oh my days. Okay. I'm in the driver's seat, foot on the brake. Yes! We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! Hey, yeah, we see what we did it! Yeah, we did it! We did it! We did it! Yeah! Bro! We did it, man! The engine started. I'm gonna run the engine a bit, drive it around, see if it's still like idling, making those weird noise, or if everything is good. And also, like, I put my leg on the accelerator, it's like the car is struggling, so that's why I thought it was the spark plugs. So that was the first diagnostic. We've changed the spark plugs. They needed changing anyways, so I changed them. Let's hope that's the issue. I don't know. Might be, might not be. I don't know. But I'm gonna let it run for a bit, then I'm gonna take it for a spin.
Sometimes it be like that. I wish it wouldn't be like that. But sometimes it be
bro,
like
I swear if anyone comes for my hand, I'm gonna come for them, bro. This is the hand of a working man, so it has to be dirty. But come on, let's see. Does it feel okay? Okay, first thing I noticed immediately, it doesn't feel like the car is lacking power. It doesn't feel like it's struggling. It's like it goes, like I don't need to like push it. Okay, that's the first thing I noticed, which is a good sign. But the like rough idling is still there. The rough, if I see it, I'll show you. Bro, this check engine light is not me, I swear to God. It's just the exhaust, man. It's nothing. Don't really, you know, don't go crazy about it, man. It's not bad. I'm gonna do a U-turn here. Nothing really crazy, honestly. But the idling is still rough. When I see it, I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, you see it? It dropped again. See? It dropped. Is it gonna go back up? Is it gonna go back up? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. The idling is not fixed. It's still there, man. I think it's the alternator now. I think it's the alternator. I scanned the code on the car. It didn't give me any code for anything that I didn't already know. We have a little bit of an exhaust leak. That's the only light to give us. So I'm thinking it's the alternator that's going out and acting up or something like that. because I don't know what else. If you hear the sound is still there, man. Bro, I'll take my win. At least I changed the spark plug and it works. I'll see you guys on the next one, man.